Welcome to a Wednesday edition of First Shift. I'm Angelina Zarnecki. Coming up, how General Motors and its dealers are collaborating in a quest to boost profits. But first, your morning headlines.
EV startup VinFast plans to build an assembly plant and battery manufacturing facility in North Carolina. The Vietnamese automaker says construction of the factory will start later this year once a permit is granted. VinFast plans an initial investment of $2 billion. The company aims to start vehicle output in July 2024 with annual capacity of 150,000 vehicles. VinFast opened its U.S. headquarters in Los Angeles last year. The automaker aims to move rapidly into the North American market with the VF8 and VF9 crossovers. Turning to Canada, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has laid out the country's emissions reduction plan. Officials say the government will enact a sales mandate to ensure at least 20% of new light-duty vehicle sales will be zero-emission vehicles by 2026. That target moves to 60% by 2030 and 100% by 2035. The government will also expand its EV rebate program by nearly $1.4 billion. In other news, UAW President Ray Curry says the union's membership fell roughly 6% last year. The number will be outlined in the UAW's annual financial report that will be made public this week. It compares membership as of December 2021 to the same period a year earlier. However, Curry said the dip was caused by the timing of the report since payroll and dues processing was delayed by end-of-the-year downtime or temporary layoffs because of the semiconductor shortage. Curry telling the Automotive Press Association on Tuesday that the union is, quote, on solid footing. And Michigan environmental regulators have hit Slantus with another odor violation at its Detroit assembly complex. It is the latest in a growing list of air quality violations for the automaker, which said it is addressing the concerns, quote, with urgency. Officials cited Slantus for objectionable paint or solvent odors.
In this week's Retail Realm segment, we take a closer look at an effort by General Motors and its dealers to boost profits. To reduce what it calls waste in dealerships' operations, GM has rolled out free tools. Those programs track incoming inventory, find areas where stores can make more money, and suggest fast-moving inventory to order. GM is also rethinking how dealers stock models, starting with EVs. Among the tools is VinView, which updates dealers as upcoming vehicles leave the factory and travels to stores. Another compares a dealer's performance with other GM stores in 5 key categories. That way, dealers can hone in on potential areas to improve. GM's Vice President of U.S. Sales, Kurt McNeil, says today's market calls for more collaboration between retailers and the automaker. That is our time for today. Remember, you can follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day.